Hi everyone, this is KJ from Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawin natin itong reaction video from Horizon, which is Horizon Funny Moment. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. If I'm not mistaken, this is the first time. I don't know kung first time ito. Basta usually kasi TikTok compilation yung pinapanood ko sa Horizon. Pero ngayon kasi, funny moments ang papanoorin natin. So tingnan natin kung sino yung may pinaka-funny na humor. Charis, funny na humor, meron ba nun? So without further ado, let's all watch this. Uy, baby pa sila dito.
Tagalog at kung saan ka galing sa Pilipinas.
Baby pa sila dito.
Ako ay si Marcus.
Marcus?
Taga Bataan ako.
Ikaw?
Iba na talaga ang boses ni Marcos dito.
Kenji.
Kenji.
At taga QC.
Bakit natatawa si Vinci?
Ako si Toto.
Toto.
Si Mr. taga Nueva Ecija.
Ako si Jeremy, taga Quezon City.
Ako si Vinci, taga...
Si Jerome, yung parang iisipin mo maraming babaeng
Hello,
ka-chat mo.
friends.
Gwapo.
Ako galing si Tagalog.
Ako gali. Ilonggo gali.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, may English.
Ano?
Hello, kaibigan! Dapat
Mga kaibigan.
mabuhay kaibigan.
Mabuhay mga kaibigan. Ako nga pala si Kim from...
Kim.
Galing Bacolod, Negros
Paano
Occidental.
sila maniniwalang Pilipino tayo kung nag-i-English ka?
True.
Hindi sila maniniwala, trust us.
Trust us. Si Vinci. Si Vinci talaga best in explain. No? Trust us. Hindi ko pa ito napanood.
Bossing! Kamusta ang buhay?
Kamusta ang buhay?
Alam mo ba, 13 lang ako sa quiz?
Well,
Okay lang yun.
Sabi din ako sa quiz.
Your grades...
Kumis saan?
My
Nag-aaral
grades
ba si Marcos?
don't define me. What's defining me is defining Nemo. Just a cherry on top.
Vini. Ang gwapo ni Marcos.
Tama ka na, Marcos. Okay po, I will tama now.
Ang kulit ni Marcos. Uy, hindi naman siya ganito kakulit dati, right? This video was August 29. Hindi naman siya ganito kakulit dati, di ba? Ba't parang ang kulit-kulit niya dito for today's video? Alright, tuloy natin.
Is defining Nemo.
Di ba? Hindi naman siya ganito dati kakulit. I don't know.
Marcos, okay po, I will tama now.
Tama ka na, Marcos. I'm already tama now.
Anong course mo, Marcos?
I love it.
Full course meal.
Full course meal.
Pag-pogi daw namamansin. Ala! Right? Ay, sorry.
Full course meal. My God, piloso po natin si Marcos.
Minsan sa buhay,
Hawa na to ng mga kuya
bawal
niya.
kang mali.
Pakakulitan.
Kasi pag ikay nalit,
Yes, si Winston talaga nonchalant pa din talaga. Ang gwapo ni Winston. Si Winston talaga nonchalant pa din, as always. Oh, grabe si Marcos, oh. Yes! Yes!
nagbibigay tulay para
Yes.
sa groups.
Oh my God, ngayon ko lang ito napanood.
Hindi ka nag-aaral
Ngayon ko lang ito
necessarily
napanood.
para matandaan mo lahat ng inaral mo. Kasi
Oh,
syempre,
yeah.
pag-isipan nyo,
Tama.
calculus, algebra,
Oo.
pupunta kayo sa 7-Eleven, gagamitin nyo yan? Syempre, hindi, di ba?
Ay, ako ni Kyler po gumaganyan siya. Oh, ay. May pakagat-kagat pa talaga siya yan. May pakagat-kagat pa talaga siya. Yan, May. Ewan ko sa'yo, Marcos. Nakakaloka ka, Marcos. Okay, what's next? Hala, ang ganda naman ng mga compilation na to. Oh, wait. Another chaotic live. Oh, I think this was their first live, if I'm not mistaken.
Aesthetic, di ba?
wow!
Aesthetic.
Pag si Winston yung kumuha ng picture sa akin, in aesthetic. Mukha akong sinapian, ganun. Tapos lagi
Mukha akong sinabihan.
nakapikit.
Kamukha niya dyan si Jerome.
bagong gising.
Maganda mag-picture si Kim. Sobrang tagal nyo na tatlo pa lang.
Oo. Kasi si Kim parang perfectionist talaga siya.
Godzilla, King Kong, and...
Parang perfectionist talaga si Kim. Kasi, yeah. Kim, Vinci pala, I mean. Si Vinci.
Hello. Ilang karat?
What's carrot? You don't
Carrot.
know carrot? That's what you call 17 fans. Carrots.
Carrots, like...
Carrot yung gulay.
Gulay. Carrots.
Wali.
Gulay yung carrots.
Ba? Wali.
Ano, pre? Vinegar na sinigang mix. Tapos yung nakuha si Winston, siya pala yung fish.
pangit ng joke.
Anong fish ka?
What is tingag? Tinga.
Tingnan.
accidentally
Wait, what was the most ridiculous thing that happened to you in Korea?
said I accidentally
Accidentally.
said I love you to a random
Accidentally.
lady here in Korea, and it is Korean panic. Yep. I wanted to say 감사합니다. I said 사랑합니다.
Wait, where is that setting though?
Convenience store.
What do you mean by salamida?
I bought something. I bought my energy bar, my Daigi Uyu, and then she was like, nah, yeah, done. And I was like, 사랑합니다. I was like, goodness gracious.
What do you mean? What do you mean by salamida?
I messed up. And I was like, I am so sorry. I did not mean that. I meant thank you. And she just laughed. We laughed it off, and I ran out of the convenience store. Out of Ever
Okay.
again. Never again.
Okay. Gets? Napanood na natin to, guys, ha? Oh my God. Pero ito kahit napanood ko, I don't care. Sa totoo lang. Congratulations. Bakit? The humor. Baby pa si Kyler. Oh, potato corner. Potato corner. Oh my God, I miss potato corner. Alam nyo ba yung ginagamit nila, hindi potato, kundi gabi. Kaya ang sarap ng patatas nila. Kaya gano'n na lang kasarap ang patatas. Tama ka na. Pinatog. Ito na, clips that are so funny.
Jeremy, how did your fans react to your debut?
Oh, actually,
Actually, help me.
I think the culture here in Korea is very, very different back in Philippines.
Okay.
You can't have a call inside the bus.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we call public manner.
Yeah, because in Philippines we don't care. I think the free Wi-Fi is very.
Oh, free Wi-Fi?
Just on the bus and I'm suddenly connected to Wi-Fi.
Oh, talaga? Wait, what is this?
Today we're going.
Horizon Funny Moments. Oh, I think napanood ko na to. Oh my God, hindi ko pa napanood. Horizon Kids. Kapag walang tao, pumunta pagkain.
Pag walang tao po, pumipitik po ako ng pagkain.
Pumipitik. Ngayon palang malalaman.
Ngayon pa lang malalaman.
Ngayon palang malalaman. Focus muna ako sa goal ko.
Focus muna ako sa goal ko.
Anong goal? Ay, iconic. Elementary nahulog yung candy. Kinain ko ulit.
Elementary ako, nahulog yung candy, kinain ko ulit.
Oh my God. Seriously.
Wait lang, rewind ko muna yung utak ko.
Sunod-sunod na po kami masipag yun.
Sunod-sunod po kami, masipag yung...
Okay.
Ikaw, parang favorite ka talaga
Favorite ka talaga ni Lord. Anyways, there you go, guys. That is our for today's video. Our Horizon Funny Moments. This is KGM Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.